curried mustard chayote coconut milk stew, or curried mustard chayote lentil coconut milk stew, or mustard chayote lentil coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes, and one of the most easiest to make on the Mirliton recipes, and one of the most different of the Chayote recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the lentil recipes. Today we are going to make Chayote lentil coconut milk stew. The ingredients are around 150 grams of chayote peeled and cut in pieces, 100 grams of lentil soaked in water for around 2 hours, 2 red chilies, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of black cumin seeds, around 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 8 to 10 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces. Put in a spoon of mustard paste and mix with chayote and marinate in the mustard paste. Thoroughly mix. Let it marinate for around 20 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in tin milk oil. Let the oil get heated and spread the oil in the pan. Once the oil is heated, put in the fennel seeds and the black cumin seeds. Salt thoroughly. Saute. Until the smell comes out of the fennel and the black cumin. Once the smell comes out of it, put in the ginger, salt, saute. well. Mustard, salt, thoroughly saute mix. Keep on sorting. Thoroughly mix. Keep on sorting and mixing. Until all the ingredients are nicely mixed with each other. Thoroughly mix. Now put in 50 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Let it mix thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Put in salt to taste. Now put in the lentil, mix, mix thoroughly. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk, mix, and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. The mustard chayote lentil stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final curried mustard chayote lentil coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Chayote recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most delicious of the lentil recipes and one of the most nutritious of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.